everybody, I'm Christine Danchuk, and I want to let you all know that Danchuk is going to be at the Grand National Roadster Show, which is happening this weekend, the 24th through the 26th in Pomona, California at the Pomona Fairgrounds. So you're going to want to come by and say hi to all the guys that are going to be there. We have Mike, Daniel, Will, Frank, Adrian, and Mike Martin that will be there. So Mike, give us some more details about the show and what's going on.
Well, this year we've got a special treat. We're going to have some, our friends over at Dakota Digital are going to join us. We're going to have some of the latest and greatest Dakota Digital gauges on display for your Trifive and offering tech support for Dakota. So be sure to come by and see that. And an extra special treat is that we're going to have the Week to Wicked 55 Chevy there. Danchuk is very involved in that, so come and check it out. There's a lot of cool things to check out the car, and it's just a stunner. You guys just got to check it out.
And so also too, we're going to have our calendars there, our 2020 Danchuk calendars, so you're going to want to stop by and pick one of these up. And then also we might have our Danchuk catalog possibility, we'll see. So come on by and check us out. We'd love to say hi, and if there's any questions you have about your Trifive, about our parts that we manufacture or sell, we're willing here to help you. All right, we'll see you there.